In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a row in Smartsheet. Locking rows is really useful when you want to protect important information from accidental changes. Maybe you have a final budget, an approved task list, or any data that should stay exactly as it is. By locking a row, you make sure that only people with the right permissions can edit it, while others can still view the information. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in the grid view, where you can see your rows and columns. On the far left side of the sheet, you'll see the row numbers and a small column that contains icons for things like hierarchy and locks. This is where you'll access the lock feature. Move your mouse to the left side of the specific row you want to protect. Look for the small lock icon in that left corner area. It may appear when you hover over the row, or it might already be visible depending on your settings. Once you've found the lock icon next to that row, click on it. This tells Smartsheet that you want to lock that particular row. After you click the lock icon, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. This pop-up is Smartsheet's way of making sure you really intend to lock the row, since it changes who can edit that information. Take a quick moment to read the message so you understand that locking will limit editing to specific users, usually sheet owners or admins. If you're sure you want to proceed, simply click on the OK button in that dialog box. As soon as you do, the row will be locked. You'll notice that the lock icon now appears in a locked state, confirming that the change has been applied. From this point on, users without the right permissions will be able to see the data in that row, but they won't be able to change it. This helps keep critical information accurate and consistent over time. If you ever need to make updates later, you can repeat the same process and unlock the row, as long as you have the necessary permissions. For now, you've successfully locked a row in Smartsheet using just a couple of quick clicks. Selecting the lock icon, then confirming by clicking OK.